Hello guys, my name is Amokwenes. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. That is how to design social network website like Facebook. Okay, if this is your first time, then please, this is part 9 of the videos. Okay, so then I would advise you to check it. Just look through my channel. That is, you see the rest of the parts. That is part 1 to this part. Okay, now this is about how to create social network website like Facebook, and this is the sample site. Okay, and this site, you see we have that is the verified mark, that blue tick like we have on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, yes, and we are trying to create a similar one. You can watch the intro video to learn more. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that I want to talk about it right now because we have to continue with the tutorials. Now let's come back to here. This is where we ended in our last tutorial, so we are going to continue. Now we are trying to make add a few features to the platform. Okay, now because when you look at the home page, let me go to the home page. It's quite not looking good at all. Okay, so right now we are doing the settings here, but it's not showing here because we have not added the important features here. So let's leave here for now and let's go to look through here. You see we have theme option. Okay, in case you are lost, then what I'm saying is let's say if you just log in, then go to BuddyBoss and then go to settings. So under settings here, we are rather here at forum. Okay, we just completed the activities. Okay, good, but we want to see all the changes that we are doing. Okay, so I want to go to make some changes to the theme settings. So come to the theme options here, right click it and open it in a new tab so that we will not lose this page, or we can just go there. Okay, or I can just click here, leave this page and then go to the theme option so that we can go there straight away. Good. So here we are going to start them. Okay, we are going to start them. We are going to make a lot of change here. Logo, this way we'll be adding our logo. Okay, good, we'll be adding our logo. Yes, this way we'll be adding the logo. And what else? Okay, so we have the colors. We are going to add the colors. Okay, but the first thing that I want us to do is let's go to heading. The header that we have, let's check the header. This is the header. Okay, good. So this is the default one. To me, if you want to, this is the logo and then the menu and then also the icons there and other icons. Or if you can have the logo at the middle, then the menu will be here. I want this one. This one, the default one, is okay. I think I love that one. Okay, then we have the standard and then the tab bar. Okay, let's see what they are talking about. Okay, first let's assign the menu. Okay, let's go to menus here. After that we'll come back here. Okay, good. So we are at menu. So the menu, we are going to, when you look at this, we have two menu here, the top menu here and then the sidebar one. Okay, so when you click a mouse, when you put the mouse on it, then you will see, or you can just click here to expand it so that you'll be able to see it well. Okay, good. So you are going to add that menu. So let's say I will make it a top menu. Okay, then so in that case, the top menu, so that's, I will go with the header menu, and that is header menu, look for login user. Okay, and then log out user. So I will have to select both. Okay, and then you also select for mobile, both mobile. Okay, yes, for mobile menu, mobile menu login, mobile menu log out. Okay, yes, we have to include that. Okay, good. And after that, I can just click save. Yes, then after that it will save for us. Now let's come back here and refresh the page. Okay, no problem, we have not added the menu yet. Okay, so we have done that, but we are yet to add. So let's come back here. I will select all and click add. Okay, it has been added. So let me remove the one that we don't want here, the video. We don't need a video here, so we have to remove it. Terms of services, privacy policy, photos. Okay, good. Now I want this one to be here. This one came with the installation of WordPress. It's I have to remove it. You see, it's custom link one. I'll put this one on top here. Documents, I'll remove it, and then the next one, I want the members to be the next, then followed by the group. Okay, and then the forum. For moderation, I will remove this one. Okay, good. So I can save that. Good. And let's come back here and refresh the page. And now we have the menu here. I hope you can see that, which is looking good. Okay, good. Now we are done with that. It left with a sidebar menu. And okay, so let's come back here. Good. So we are going to create another menu. To create another menu, let's come back here and click create new menu. Okay, so now we can enter a sidebar. Okay, so that is the sidebar or BuddyBoss panel. Okay, so the sidebar, that is this one, body panel. Okay, so we go with the login user and for the two of them. Okay, good. And we have already set this one for top, so we have to leave that. So the two of them is okay. Now let's click that, and this time too we have to select those things. That is there. We'll go with members, newsfeed, groups, and then forum. Okay, and forum. So let me add it. Okay, so newsfeed will be first, then followed by okay, what else? Followed by members. Then we'll have the group here. Good. Now let me save that. And now let's come back here and refresh the page. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so I can now open it like that. But as you can see, it's not looking good at all. You see, yeah. But I'm going to show you what you can do here. Now let's come back here. Now when you click here, you see it's now showing good, and this one is written look nice. Okay, and we have it has an icon. So I'm going to show you how to add those icons. Okay, so we are still at the sidebar menu here, and so we are going to add icons. Click here, then you click icon, select it. Okay, good. Here I will go with the BuddyBoss legacy. Okay, so here we can search for newsfeed. You see, oh, it's not showing. Let me see from here. Okay, so the newsfeed here is like a home page. It's the landing page of this here. Okay, so okay, so here we have a home. Okay, let me click that and let's see. Okay, so newsfeed is our home or landing page. Okay, good. But on top here we don't have newsfeed, so we can remove it from our end. So let's make it home. Okay, let's make it home here. So if I want to get an icon for that, let me make it home. Okay, so then you can select any of these. Okay, let me go with this and add it. Okay, good. So here the newsfeed, I will rename it and make it home. Okay, good, and save it. But the top bar is okay. The top bar, I have to remove that. Okay, so after now let me refresh the page and let's see what we have done. And as you can see, it's now looking good. So let us continue with the rest. So here I will click here, and then legacy again, and then it was what was there, members. So I can just enter members here, members. Okay, so members, I'll go with this one, and then let me close that. Let me go to this, and here too I will select that, and let me go with the legacy again, group. Okay, so let me see. Group. Okay, so this is the group icon. I have to add that. Then the next one is forum. You see, forum is all about chatting. Okay, so then what I can put here is I can just enter message. Let's see if that one will work. Oh, okay, let me enter forum. Let's see if you can get something to represent that. This one is okay, and add it. So I can go down here and save it. And now let me come back here and refresh the page. Okay, good. So we have them. It's very nice. Okay, now everything is looking good. Okay, now let me show you something. When I click here, now we are now at our news feed. Okay, like this one. So the landing page is our news feed. So how can we make our landing page the news feed? Okay, so to do that, let's come back here. Let's go to settings. Okay, then reading. So static page, a static page, we will select news feed here, and then I will just save that. Good. So let me come back here and refresh the page. Good. So now we have that. Okay, so we have that. Very simple and neat. Okay, now as you can see, everything is looking good. So here I can just pick up add an image. Can click here and post an item. Okay, so I can just look for a picture on my platform here and post it. Okay, or this, and then after that I can just click here to post it. Okay, you see it's not showing. Okay, I'm going to show you what we can do to activate it. Okay, so here since we are done with the menu side here, let's go back to BuddyBoss so we can make the change on the BuddyBoss. So let's go to settings, and okay, no problem, you will come to that. I don't want to jump, so I will show you how to do that. Here I can enter hello, so let me post that. Good, and that is hello. I can comment it, I can like it or comment it. Okay, and that's very cool. Okay, good. So let me go back here again. Let me click on the here. So now newsfeed is our landing page. That is quite good. Okay, what else can we do? Okay, so we have already spent a lot of time here, so let me say thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.